Are you ready to test your farm animal knowledge? Take this fun quiz. Let's get started. The first one, cow. Next, chicken. Third, sheep. If you found these super easy, don't forget to hit the like button. Now moving to the intermediate level, goat. Then, horse. Tag a friend to test their knowledge of farm animals and see who scores better. Pig. Now for the hard level, subscribe if you love sheep. Did you know? Cows are one of the most important farm animals and have been domesticated for milk and meat for thousands of years. Now, can you identify this animal?